Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Engage with the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 2.09. Let's examine the performance of the exchange-traded fund during this time. The ETF has achieved a gain of 8.84%. This amounts to an average return of 0.18% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund lies in the midst of a narrow and robust rising trend in the short term, signaling a potential for further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately 14% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 11% and 15.5%. Considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates an anticipated change of about 11%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decline of nearly 15% to an increase of about 12% over the next year. In practical terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $484.74 and $634.60. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for QQQ. The QQQ ETF price gained 1.26% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025. It rose from $560.27 to $567.32. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.27%, with a low of $560.63 and a high of $567.76. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 0.62% over the past 2 weeks. Volume declined on the last day by 7 million shares, with a total of 41 million shares traded for approximately $23.09 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume amid rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $574.61, while the lowest price was $402.39. Currently, the price is 1.27%, or $7.29, below the 52-week high of $574.61, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. The recent data about QQQ highlights a dynamic period for tech-driven investments. On the 3rd of August, insights indicated that investing in the Nasdaq 100 remains a strong strategy for those looking to capitalize on growth stocks. The QQQ, which tracks this index, stands to benefit as investors seek out exposure to leading non-financial companies in technology. Strong earnings reports and optimistic projections about interest rate reductions have fueled a market rebound, particularly benefiting technology exchange-traded funds like QQQ. Financial institutions view the current market dip as a buying opportunity, which could further boost interest in these funds. Moreover, the potential for lower interest rates this year could enhance market valuations. While this generally complements technology stocks, it also creates challenges, such as a yield-starved environment that may deter investors focused on income. Investors are advised to consider QQQ as a key player in this evolving landscape, especially as artificial intelligence technologies advance, positioning exchange-traded funds like QQQ to thrive in a market increasingly reliant on technological innovation. Overall, this combination of robust growth prospects, expert endorsements, and favorable economic indicators suggests a bullish outlook for QQQ, both in the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 21st of July, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned QQQ a mixed grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 9th of July, 2025, UBS again assigned QQQ a hold grade with a hold action. On the same day, Benchmark reported that QQQ received an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025, Benchmark assigned QQQ a negative grade with a hold action. Finally, on Tuesday, the 10th of June, 2025, Benchmark gave QQQ a mixed grade with a hold action. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. There are mixed signals in the exchange-traded fund today. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, the 28th of July, 2025, and so far it has fallen by approximately 0.144%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. The QQQ ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive outlook for the ETF. There is also a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On any downward corrections, there will be some support from the levels at $563.69 and $554.15. A breakdown below either of these levels will generate sell signals. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite price gains, causing a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The ETF should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 61 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 52 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $565.01. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund exhibits controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the associated risk is considered very low. Over the past day, the exchange-traded fund fluctuated by $7.13 between its high and low, which is approximately 1.27%. In the last week, the average daily volatility of the exchange-traded fund was 1.34%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low price-to-earnings ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company or that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ stands at $568.02. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering an entry position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could serve as a potential point for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ meets its first support level at $565.01. Should this support level remain intact, it might present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $547.93, reflecting a decrease of 3.42%. This exchange-traded fund experiences very low daily fluctuations, resulting in minimal risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal originating from a pivot top identified 7 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the QQQ ETF to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 7th of August, we anticipate that the QQQ will open lower by approximately $2.08, starting at $565.24. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.